Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I got a new air fryer and it works pretty much like a small oven. And today I'm going to use this in my cooking video. And with the air fryer, you also get a recipe book. You can air fry French fries and they are delicious. And you could also do onion rings, bacon wrapped shrimp, chicken wings, steak, salmon, grilled cheese sandwiches, even donuts and pies. And today I'm going to show you how to make these pizza bagels. So let's get started. I have 3 bagels here that I've had for a couple of days, so I don't like to waste food, so I'm going to find something else to do with them. So I'm going to slice them in half, like that. And I'm going to place them in a pan because the air fryer container has little holes in it for the air to circulate. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to place these in a pan that will fit into the air fryer. Now in a frying pan, I've put some chopped onion and I'm going to add some garlic, just to your taste. I'm going to give 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to add some oregano and rosemary. And while that's cooking up, I'm going to take some of my vegetarian ham and I'm going to cut it in little slices. You could use regular ham if you're not a vegan. So I'm going to go ahead and add my slices that I've cut down. Give that a little stir. And I'm going to add some mushrooms. Canned mushrooms are fine. And I'm going to add a couple handfuls of kale. I'm going to add some pepper and some sea salt. And now I'm just going to add some barbecue sauce. Oh, just a couple of tablespoons. And stir that up. And I'm going to divide this and just put it on my bagels. And now I have my vegetarian cheese. If you're not a vegetarian, use cheese, any cheese of your choice. And I'm going to place one on each bagel. Sprinkle some bread crumbs over the top. Now these are ready to go into my air fryer oven. So I have it turned on, and to change the temperature, I would just press this thermometer and either turn this up or down. I'm going to put it at 250, and if I wanted to time it 15 minutes, that's good for me. So I have 15 minutes. I've set it. So now I'm going to open my drawer, and I'm going to place these down inside my drawer. Put this back in. It's been 10 minutes. I'm just going to check these. And those look done. And I have a plate of salad here. Place a couple of those on the plate. You could use baked potatoes underneath here instead of the bagels, or you could just use slices of bread. And if anyone is interested in purchasing this air fryer, I put a link below where you can find it on a website and a coupon code so you can save $30. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.